Hello, Libra. Crystals for your sign. Fairy stone, otherwise known as menelite, and it is one of the goddess stones. Dolomite. Lepidolite in its natural unpolished form. This one is from Brazil. And then we have lepidolite polished in this beautiful sphere. And it is from Madagascar, and some of these actually have pink tourmaline in them. Also a stone of the goddess. We are sharing with you now Orbicular Ocean Jasper. I love putting this one underneath my pillow at night to help me connect with Lemuria and Atlantis, my Akashic records. I don't know about you, but I just have this thing for Lemuria and Atlantis. This is beautiful gemmy rose quartz. Being careful to take my time so nobody topples over. Beautiful smoky quartz, translucent so you can see through it. And look, there's the rainbow. I love ones that have rainbows in them. This is Bloodstone. Very good for negative energy protection. Pink Optical Calcite for clarity. Red Apophyllite. This is from India. Isn't that pretty? Black Tourmaline. Absorbs, repels energy, negativity from you and your surroundings. And we have some beautiful green serpentine here. Some of these even have, see the little goldish colors? That's also pyrite, which is really cool. Prehnite. Kyanite. This one happens to have some mica on it. Most of them do, not all. Beautiful. White Apophyllite. You want to raise your vibe pretty quick. Get your hands on some beautiful Apophyllite. Look at that natural shimmer. I'm wearing pink, so any little whites, that is a reflection of the light here in my space. Pink Mangano Calcite. Green Aventurine. We have beautiful Hemimorphite. Look at the tiny, petite, little points here. I love that, and it's even down in here. These are very special. We have, here we go, Epidote, and even on the bottom, the little pinky parts, that is Rosasite, and the shiny white, that is a bit of Selenite. So this one is always cleaning and taking care of its own energy. Trancas Geodes slice. Look at how pretty this is. This side is just as gorgeous. And blue Apatite. Do you need to have all of these? Well, at some point, yes. Do you have to have them all at once? No. What would you start with? What would I recommend? Depends upon what you are going to want to focus on first. Do you want to focus on abundance? Then I would start with the green ones. Dolomite. Serpentine, and this bloodstone is mostly, it's mostly green, and it also repels negativity. Prehnite, serpentine, and because these have some pyrite in them, that's also protection as well as manifesting. And either Kyanite or Selenite. You can, of course, add a beautiful piece of Orbicular Ocean Jasper, as long as it's mostly green, because some of them have different colors, and we're focusing the emotion, the emotions and the intentions at the moment. And here is some green Aventurine. There we go. Now you can see it better. For abundance, prosperity and abundance. Having an abundance mindset is amazing. If you want to raise your vibration in a super hurry, Apophyllite. claret, kyanite. How about tapping into your inner goddess energies? Okay, lepidolite, polished, whether it is a sphere or a palm stone, or the natural, unpolished is good. Goddess, fairy stone, rose quartz for unconditional love. Always have some selenite or kyanite nearby, because that will help you to keep your energy clear, as well as the energy for your crystals and whatnot. And I forgot this guy because it's not blue. It is blue and it's not green. You want to focus on abundance and prosperity. Blue apatite. Throat chakra. Higher vibe. And it is about unlimited potential and manifestation of abundance. Apophyllite, red, not so easily found. It's really kind of rare. This is from India. So, higher vibe with apophyllite. So you've got the white and you've got the red. So the root chakra, right, for red, survival, prosperity, protection, passion, and it raises the vibration of your root chakra so that your conscious mind stops getting in the way quite so often. And you can add this guy, the pink optical calcite, as part of your goddess, inner goddess connection. Clarity, optical calcite is for clarity. You can hold this up against your third eye, so you can do the pink ones. So the purple, lepidolite, fairy stone, pink optical calcite, rose quartz, and pink Mangano. Hemimorphite will help raise your vibration like pretty quick. So what do you pair? If you're just starting out, maybe you have some of these crystals, minerals, and stones, and maybe not. If you do, which ones do you have? Which ones would you like to add to your collection next? Figure out, really sit down for a few moments and concentrate, or, just focus on what it is you want to do, one thing at a time. So, healing your heart, abundance, connecting with your inner goddess. You can mix and match just about anything here to do that. Let's say you want to connect with your inner goddess so that you can manifest more and have an abundant mindset. Okay, so inner goddess, I'm just going to move a couple of these things around. So fairy stone, lepidolite, let's see, in abundance we can use serpentine or the Aventurine, okay? And perhaps even that, which is blue apatite. Gorgeous. All right, so these 4, 1, 2, 3, okay, 5, I can't count. All right, don't like serpentine, not really fond of Aventurine, no problem. How about Dolomite? Can you also add your rose quartz? Absolutely. Raw, obelisk, palm stone, sphere. Now, if you have little teeny tiny points like the size of my thumb or tumbled stones, if that's what you have, then get a lot of them, because one teeny tiny stone, beautiful soul, is not enough. Let's just call it what it is. It's not enough, all right? Okay, so there's that. Now, what would you pair if you wanted to have an abundant mindset, an abundant Okay, I would actually, there you go, kind of going all over the place here. You can have Prehnite, Dolomite, Apophyllite, and blue Apatite. Or if you want to go all green, I know this is white. This is white. It's a very high vibe, and it's also a very abundant manifestation of prosperity stone as well. So Epidote, Prehnite, and Dolomite. Well, you get the idea. And these are all the crystals for Libra. In the comments below, I will put a full list of all of these crystals so that you know what they are. And nobody likes to memorize things for very long or have to go and look at everything 20 million times to figure things out. At least I don't. Okay, so one more time, fairly quickly through Dolomite, fairy stone, Lepidolite in its natural form. We have blue Apatite, red Apophyllite, pink Optical Calcite. This is polished Lepidolite. This beauty is Orbicular Ocean Jasper, Bloodstone, black Tourmaline, Hemimorphite, Serpentine, Smoky Quartz, Prehnite, Kyanite, Apophyllite, pink Mangano, Calcite, green Aventurine, Trancas Geodes slice, and blue Apatite. If you have any questions, just pop them down in the comments below. Please do share this, and we will be continuing with this series on the zodiac crystals. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul. Please do subscribe and share this with your friends.